This is one of the coolest new gadgets for your ring. This is the Ring Rechargeable Quick Release Battery Pack. You can easily attach it to your ring and get some extra battery life when you need it. Let's check this out. Now, this attaches right here. You can see it's got the ring logo right there, and we can just snap it right in. There we go. We can charge up our ring. Now with this, you don't have to worry about charging your ring anymore, because this is good to go. Whenever you need it, you can just snap it right in like that and you're ready to go. You can see right on the back here, it's got a kickstand, so you can stand it up if you want to. And then of course you've got your USB-C charging port. So all you need to do is plug in your USB-C cable into that port and then you can charge this up. Of course, you can use any USB-C cable that you want. When it comes time to actually using this, it's super simple. All you do is snap it right into the back of your ring like that. And now you've got extra battery. How much extra battery? Well, they say you can get an extra hour and a half of battery life. That's pretty good. And you can just snap it off whenever you want to. Super easy. And then if you notice these little clasps on the side, you can actually use this to attach it to things. So maybe you want to attach it to your belt, backpack, or really anything else. It's got that little clasp so you can attach it. And you can always just pull it right off whenever you want to and get that extra battery. Also, it's not just for when you're out and about. If you're at home, you can just plug this in and leave it on your nightstand. So whenever you're getting ready in the morning, you can pop it right in and you've got some extra battery. Of course, this isn't going to make your ring last forever. You still need to charge it every once in a while, but this is great for those times that you need that extra battery and you have a way to charge it. I really like this. It's super convenient. It's easy to use, and it's a must-have for your ring. So if you're looking for something cool for your ring, check out the Ring Rechargeable Quick Release Battery Pack. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button.